C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a good looking 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a removable top. Best of all, low original mile car. 19,433 showing on the odometer at the moment. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter. That LS1 tried and true power. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, you can see that black paint has a nice shine to it. Almost looks like it's wet. And considering what the car is 25 years old now, nice shape up front too. It's not full of blemishes, dings. Yes, you have a touch up here or there where there's been a little pebble chip, but overall, paint on this one shows well. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Check out all the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside. Take a look at the undersides on this one. Extremely clean. You'll be able to see the engine bay, car from every angle, interior, cargo area. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the C5 wheel. Michelin radial tires. Technician that looked at this in our service department did note tires are starting to get up there in age. So something to consider there, 2016, 2017. I want to make you aware of that. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Drove out nice, AC blows cold, heater blows hot, of course power steering, power brakes, AC. Mentioned we have black on black. The top is the painted to match, removable top. Center console, automatic transmission. Of course the center dump exhaust. We will start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. You stick around to the very end, Jason will take it for a drive. I do want to point out the scuff back here in that rear fascia. Kind of rub the paint off. I want to point that out. And once again, all the still pictures so you can see this thing from every angle. Undersides, interior, etc. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like C5s, or well, for that matter, if you like any Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And for those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. We appreciate it. Don't be afraid to share with friends, other car enthusiasts. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, Bose stereo system, tilt column, cruise control, power seat over here on the driver's side. All your modern amenities. You can see the seat's in nice shape also. Just kind of your wrinkles that you get from the natural hide. Let's go ahead and start it up. Take a peek at these exact miles for you. There it is, 19,443. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that on. Do have a driver's information center. I'm not playing around with the radio. The radio's working. Dash looking good. Check those headlight doors out. Nice and quiet, no gears clicking, anything like that. Slip around to the back seat here, run. Just nice sounding C5ette. And how about engine bay? Hood strut's working properly. Get a good look at the hood liner. We do have a little dual snorkel, cold air intake down here. Help it breathe a little bit. Engine bay, oh, clean that is. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice look for that cold air intake you can see there. Battery not quite 2 years old. These are a lot of bang for the buck anymore. C4 or C5s. What you can get into them for and how much fun they are. Here you go. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, removable top, low miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, black on black. Very nice looking Corvette. Low mile Corvette, less than 20,000 miles on the odometer currently. When you can find a 2001 Corvette barely broken in, can you imagine the deal that it is? The bang for the buck that this car is, especially if you love black. This is an automatic transmission, shifted right here between the seats. So effortless acceleration, just put your foot down for a couple seconds and you're speeding in no time. The temperature gauge reads about 180, the oil pressure about 55 psi, tachometer and speedometer working as they should. The battery's charging over 14 volts and the fuel gauge reads a little less than half of a tank. Stereo sounds great in this car.
Minute on the lender.
Although they're just talking, music does sound good in this car. We have a target top overhead. That means a removable top for the open air experience. Very nice leather bucket seats. These are the really soft, comfortable ones comparatively to some other cars that consider themselves sporty. The Corvette is a sports car and has very nice bucket seats in this one. Of course, black leather steering wheel as well. Smooth braking. And when they say corners like a Corvette, they mean it. This car is one of the icons of sports handling. And this one handles the way it should. Corner nice and flat. Check out all the pictures of this black 2001 Chevy Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.